Hi David. A tough night, but ultimately what's important is that you got through it and you got a result.
Yeah, I think you've answered it probably as well as I could answer it. We've got a slight and narrow lead, but nothing more than that at this time.
And obviously when they took the lead, memories must have gone back to Frankfurt and the way they took the lead, and then you know how important it is to get a victory in that first leg. Was it kind of going through your head that you needed to kind of avenge those memories?
No, when I got to half time I felt
David Moyes, the West Ham United head coach, he speaks after punishing AZ for 1 goal, and in Europa Conference League, as of course David Moyes says they have the great opportunities, have the great chance for them to win the Europa League Conference League this season. In fact, here David Moyes said he was just he wanted to substitute Antonio, but he was just stopping due to the fact that he saw his consistency and fighting spirit on the pitch, as he allowed him to continue playing football. And of course, David Moyes said maybe that would be the great mistake in one way or another to substitute the dangerous and important player like him on the pitch. And of course, the one goal scored by the West Ham United, it's a goal scored by Anthony, as of course it was just a fantastic goal closure and impressive one. And here the head coach David Moyes says he feels good to be here next, and the club feels good. Supporters also have been satisfied for today's incredible performance. As in fact, David Moyes said the journey is on, and the journey is just not end up. And in fact, now West Ham United are thinking about the next opponents in the Premier League. Of course, they just want also to secure the points on the last matches of the Premier League. In fact, David Moyes, they say they have that chance. They have a great ability to make sure that they get more points. They get, of course, incredible and the fantastic points, so as to be in a good position on the standing of the Premier League. In fact, West Ham United is one among the best team in England. It's a team which has many talented and of course experienced players like Antonio as a striker and so much more. And finally, here David Moyes congratulates and thanks for so much those who came to support them on the stadium and those